In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin Google Chrome to the taskbar in Windows 11 so you can open it faster anytime you need it. This is a super quick but very useful tip, especially if you use Chrome every day and want it always available with just one click. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, go ahead and open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer. You can do this from the Start menu, from your desktop, or by searching for Chrome in the search bar. Once Chrome is open, look down at the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Find the Google Chrome icon there, then right-click on it to bring up the Options menu. From that menu, click Pin to Taskbar, and that's it. Chrome will now stay pinned to your taskbar, so even if you close it, the icon will remain there for quick access whenever you want to launch it again. This is one of the easiest ways to make your browsing experience faster and more convenient in Windows 11. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you are right-clicking the Chrome icon itself and not just opening the app normally. Once pinned, you can drag the icon into your preferred position on the taskbar if you want to keep your most used apps organized. And now you know how to pin Google Chrome to the taskbar in Windows 11 in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy Windows guide.